Another tropical storm in these back-to-back storm systems we have been seeing across the Philippines, through the South China Sea, into southern China, and also over towards Vietnam. And today we have Nangka out here. Now, this is located just towards the east of Vietnam, continuing to spin up here, plus another invest area towards the east of the Philippines, and Chunhom still lingering out there just south of Tokyo, but that is continuing to weaken out. Final warning has been issued by the Joint Typhoon Warning Center on that. Let's talk about our area here, though. This is Nangka, now a tropical storm, expected to remain at tropical storm intensity, but it does have some decent inflow wrapping in around the southern periphery of this, and this tells us that we do have plenty of moisture feeding into this storm system, allowing it to intensify and going to be a big rainmaker for eastern areas of Vietnam out here. So that's definitely the big thing. Actually, let's take a look at the track here. Currently, like I said, a tropical storm expected to move across Hainan here, bring plenty of rain there, and then in northern Vietnam. Remember, our storm just a few days ago came on shore out here into central Vietnam, brought plenty of rainfall. So you have areas here that are flooded. Now we have Nangka coming on shore across the Gulf of Tonkin that's going to be bringing that chance of some flooding across there. So, and then I'll talk about in just a second, we have another system that's going to bring even more rainfall to Vietnam. You guys just can't get a break. I really do feel for you out here. Let's take a closer look at the forecast from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, though. Like I said, winds right now at 40. They expected to max out about 45, gusting up to 55 knots before it begins to weaken after moving on shore here. Just get that friction over land will cause it to continue to weaken. But until that happens, we are looking at a little bit of intensification thanks to that good outflow aloft. You got that inflow with all that moisture, and sea surface temperatures over the Gulf of Tonkin. It's about 32, some places a little bit warmer than 32 degrees. That is stuff that is conducive for development. All right, so let's take a look at the ECMWF over the next 48 hours. Here's our storm system moving across Hainan over the Gulf of Tonkin, northern Vietnam landfall. So that's the big issue with this. Plenty of rainfall. Could see some superficial damage as far as winds are concerned, but plenty of rainfall. And here's Invest 94W. Key thing to keep in mind. So we got 94W on the heels here. We got a high pressure area located from eastern China, stretching all the way across towards the East China Sea, even over towards Okinawa. So for my friends in Okinawa, I know we have plenty of you out here that watch these updates. Thank you very much. If you are out here or anywhere in the Western Pacific, by the way, and you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Westpac Weather, please do so. And follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Twitter, a lot more instantaneous updates when I'm not busy and kind of posting this stuff. But the key thing, I do try to do my best to update you guys. Anyways, high pressure, stretching across there. We have that flow down towards the south. There's Nangka. There's Invest 94W. This high is going to keep all of that stuff south of it. So when you get this storm system, it's going to follow right in the heels of Nangka. Take a look from Wednesday over towards Saturday. Here comes our system. Moves across the Philippines. Basically has the same conditions that are going to allow it to intensify and move out here towards Hainan, Gulf of Tonkin, northern Vietnam, looking at rainfall yet again. So let's take a look at, this is actually ECMWF rainfall totals from these systems. Some areas out here, 300, 400, 500 millimeters in isolated locations across parts of Vietnam. Northern Vietnam, very similar, and even over towards the Philippines. Not as bad over here. I know I got a lot of my friends out here. You're worried about this. It's not as bad. Key thing is you're just going to have that inflow behind these storms. So you're going to get that inflow that's going to help increase the chance of showers, even some thunderstorms, not to mention Invest 94W. Really going to be spinning up, bringing that increase of precipitation. 94W, I keep on calling it that nomenclature. It's an invest area. Pagasa, at this time of me making this video, has not named it yet. I'm sure most of you, I have a pretty good, the people that do follow and watch my videos, very up to date on a lot of this stuff, and they tend to post when Pagasa has updated that forecast. So if they do name it, please let me know, and I'll make sure that it's down there in the comment section. Anyways, there's our inflow. This is by midweek. This is our next storm system. This is just more of a visual what I'm talking about. That flow coming in across the Philippines will be increasing your chance of precipitation. So that's the big topic. One storm after another across the tropics out here. You have Nangka. You got our next storm that's going to be coming in behind that. These are just going to bring plenty of rainfall. Don't expect a typhoon out of neither of them, but a tropical storm, the severe tropical storm, just kind of that whole energy with that monsoonal flow, definitely going to be impacting you. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please let me know down in the comment box below. As always, though, stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and yeah, have a fantastic start to your work week.